How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to properly adjust your drag mount on a lever drag reel. Particularly, this is an Avet reel. And so you can see you have your free bait, you have your strike position, and you have full. Right now, the lever is currently at strike, full, and free bait. So the proper way to do this is use a scale to measure the amount of drag you want to put, depending on the size pound test you have spooled on your reel. And when you go to adjust that drag, a really important thing is you want to make sure that this lever is in free bait. And from there, you can adjust your drag up. Clockwise increases the drag, and counterclockwise decreases the amount of drag on your lever drag reel. Now, it's important to not adjust this lever, this wheel, the amount of drag you're putting, when the lever is in the strike position. You're going to damage your reel and you're going to cause all sorts of problems. So you want to have these preset before you go out fishing to what size pound test you're using. And you just want to make sure that that lever is in all the way loose and free bait, particularly with this Avet. So just an important tip on, how to adjust your drag on a lever drag reel. And if you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, and if you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe on my channel. And thanks for watching.